What's up, Lash Fam? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in for another helpful lash video. If you're new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button, join our lash family. Today I am doing a mega volume set on a client. It is a fill, so she already has some lashes on there, but I'm going to be removing some of the lengths that she has in there, and I'm going to be adding some shorter ones in. I am using my luxury volume lashes, of course, 0.05s, D-curl, and we're using lengths 11, 13, 15 on her, which looks so good on her eye. And remember, when you're doing a cat eye, ladies, you guys get to pick the sizes that you want to do. Before we jump into this video, don't forget to wait to the end because I will be announcing my giveaway winner from my previous video. If you haven't watched that video, I will link it above so you guys can check it out. I did a whole lash room tour, everything that's in my lash room, super cool video. Make sure you check it out. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. I'm excited to show you guys this video. If you're excited too, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoy it. It is a pretty much like a step-by-step process video. I don't actually talk in it, but you get to see from the beginning to the end my actual steps, so I hope you guys like that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I will be active, of course, for about the first hour. And don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on Instagram because I'm constantly updating my website via Instagram, updating you guys on what's going on. So head over to Instagram, join us there. I hope you guys enjoy this. Let's jump in. Lash Fam, that does conclude my Mega Volume Cat Eye Fill. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you learned something new, comment down below, let me know what it is. If you guys are using any of the products I'm using, let me know in the comments. Give this video a big thumbs up. I want to know if what I am recommending you guys are trying. I know a lot of people are using the Glue Aid, which is so awesome because it is one of my favorite products. And also the J-Brand Beauty Glue is a goodie, and I see you guys out there showing me that you're using that as well. So comment down below, let me know what it is you guys are using. If you guys have questions, let me know in the comments. I will be answering questions from you guys in my comments on my new vlogs, so that'll be fun. I also have a surprise in store for you guys that I'm so excited to show or to share with you guys. I will be doing a collab with another YouTube lash artist who also does a channel like mine, so that is going to be really fun. We will announce that later on who it is. If you guys have any ideas of who it may be, comment down below, let me know. Also, before I go, we got to do my giveaway winner. I did say I was going to do a giveaway of some Shop Lashes by KINS product, which I'm so excited because I love doing giveaways. I do them so often. That's another reason why you should join our Lash family here, so you can jump into some of our giveaways. But without further ado, let's announce this giveaway winner. All right, Lash fam, so our lucky giveaway winner this time is Miss Maggie Red. So Maggie, please email me all your information at info@shoplashesbykins.com. I need your name, phone number, address, email, and I think that's it, and I will send over your giveaway. Thank you everyone who's participated in this giveaway. I do them often, so don't be discouraged. You guys can always win. I randomly pick. So thank you to everyone once again for being a part of this Lash family. I love you, and I will be back in a few days. If you guys have any other recommendations for videos, please let me know in the comments, and I will see y'all later this week.